Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. I am back, and I am so excited. Look, crypto is not going anywhere but up if you're invested in the right projects. This is not financial advice, but today I am super duper excited. I am going to share with you some information about one of my favorite cryptos, Polygon Matic. And again, not financial advice, but we do know that blockchain is here. The blockchain technology is here to stay. And if you are invested in the correct projects, you can become very, very wealthy when blockchain takes off. Now, I'm going to give you all some great information about Polygon Matic. You've got to stay with me for the entire video because a lot of times people don't understand why blockchain is going to be huge. What does it do? And I'm going to share with you in this video and explain to you some things specifically about Polygon Matic and what they do, why it's important, and what's in it for you as a Polygon Matic investor. So you got to stay with me for the entire video. All right, now go ahead and click on like. And if you haven't already, click on subscribe. Go ahead and click on subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can get this information when I give it to you. So I'm excited. I know it's been a rocky road, but I am so excited about Polygon Matic. Now, first of all, I did a video on Polygon Matic, why to invest in it, and I'm going to link it in the description. Take a look at that video on why to invest in Polygon Matic. Again, it is not financial advice, but this is a keeper. Polygon Matic is a keeper. And so what we have going on here, we have a partnership between Polygon Matic and Mastercard. Mastercard has a music accelerator program. This is big for musicians. If you like music, I know that I like music. Most of us enjoy music. Musicians are one of the groups of people who are screwed the most from record labels. They are screwed. They really are. Many record labels keep the majority of the money that musicians create. So blockchain, what I'm going to do is connect some dots for you today and show you how blockchain, but more specifically, the role that Polygon Matic and Mastercard will be playing in the future for musicians so that they will be able to keep their own money. They'll be able to keep the majority of their money. So music will be done differently. I'm also going to show you some other partnerships that Polygon Matic has. They have partnerships with huge companies, and I'll give you a little bit of information about what they do. So stay with me for the entire video. I'm so excited. I just can't hide. I'm excited. And I do own Polygon Matic. I own lots of it. And I'm going to start reaccumulating Polygon Matic. So anyway, here we go. So Polygon Matic has a partnership with Mastercard. But before we get started, I first want to show you their video. This video is super duper neat. It's only about 1 minute. Let's watch the video first, and then I'm going to go into dig deep into all the information about Polygon Matic and tell you why I'm an investor and how this token sells for less than $1. Is very stable, but I am accumulating even more of it because I think in the next bull market, it's already a top 10 crypto. I think this could be in the top 5 easily, and maybe even the top 3. It's built on top of Ethereum. We know that Ethereum is the most secure blockchain. I love Cardano also, so don't get all worked up. But this is a winner. So let's look at the video. Let's kick it off with the video, and then I'm going to dig deep into Polygon Matic and tell you how you can, depending on what you accumulate, this is a keeper. You've got it. Not financial advice. This is a must own. Let's look at the video first. Okay.
Through extraordinary experiences, showcase partnerships, artist collaborations, even our own sonic branding, music lives at the very heart of how Mastercard connects people to the priceless possibilities in life. Today, we turn up the volume. By unleashing the power and potential of Web3, to help underrepresented emerging artists unleash their own power and potential. Welcome to the Mastercard Artist Accelerator, a next-level platform of tools, tech, and community where new voices can create, learn from mentors, build a fan base, and start making the dream a lot more real. The Mastercard Artist Accelerator, unleashed by Web3, and unlocked for creators and fans alike with the Mastercard Music Pass NFT. This is where passion and purpose come together. And that is priceless.
Okay, that was, did you hear that? The underrepresented musician. That is their market, because many of these big labels, they just steal. Anyway, let's just keep it moving. So let's take a look at this. So, and I'm going to drop these links in the description. So if you want to read this information, or you might be a musician or an artist that wants to sign up for this, or you may know someone who is artistically talented and may want to join this program. So Mastercard, they announced their Web3 Spotlight program to develop and launch emerging musical artists in the digital economy. So these are artists that are up and coming, which is, it's just wonderful. So they are really targeting that market to get them connected to the digital economy. They are going to be basically forging new territory by connecting artists with mentors and fans in an exclusive development program. So the beautiful thing about this is that they're giving these new artists some support and some help by connecting them with a mentor. Also, the Mastercard Artist Accelerator will connect select artists from around the world with notable mentors and a dynamic fan base as they learn and create in Web3. This program is going to start in 2023 with a live stream artist showcase. So they're going to have a showcase. They're going to have all of these. I'm sure the mentors are going to be people that are already famous. Probably, I'm hoping maybe Beyonce, maybe Mary J. Blige. I'm just saying. So, you know, those are a couple of my faves. So anyway, we'll see. Now, it's going to kick off in the spring of 2023. The Mastercard Artist Accelerator will prepare 5 emerging artists, such as musicians, DJs, producers, with the tools, the skills, and access so that they can basically create their own musical career within this digital economy. The good thing about it for these artists, they're going to gain exclusive access to special events, music releases, and more. This is a first of its kind curriculum, and it's going to teach artists how to build and own. That is so important for artists. I don't know if you know much about masters, but a lot of times musical artists don't own their masters. And when they don't own their masters, they don't own their work. So this Mastercard Artist Accelerator program is going to show them how to build and own their brand through using Web3 experiences like minting NFTs. You should know what NFTs are by now. And representing themselves in virtual worlds and establishing an engaged community. This is going to be big. This is going to transform how music is done. I promise you it is. It's going to transform. The Mastercard Music Pass, that's huge. So they're going to have a Mastercard Music Pass. A limited edition NFT will give holders access to the exclusive Web3 music educational materials and unique resources. With this token, it is a token. It's a token. It's a token. That's why it's built on top of Polygon Matic. Fans can join the platform. Would that be amazing for you to be in there with your favorite musical artists and be able to see their work firsthand and be part of their work in the beginning like that? That is crazy amazing. So what does Polygon have to do with this? Well, Mastercard has tapped Polygon, the Polygon blockchain, to power these fan-driven artist experiences. Web3 has the potential to empower a new type of artist that can grow a fan base, make a living, and introduce novel mediums for self-expression and connection on their own terms. That's the thing that musicians are going to be able to do. They'll be able to do things on their own terms because musicians are taken advantage of. That's why this digital economy, blockchain, is going to revolutionize and change so many ways on how we do so many things. You talk about peer-to-peer payments. It's going to take away the SWIFT system. You're going to settlements of funds are going to be done instantly. It's blockchain is going to revolutionize this this world. It really is. Okay, so now that's just a piece of it. Stay with me now. And if you haven't already, that is exciting. If you like music, I love music. This is going to be so huge. All right, so stay with me because I've got more. I'm just warming up. So now, what else is so great about Polygon? Because remember, I still got to tell you what's in it for you. Here are on top of the Mastercard Artist Accelerator program. Look at who is doing business with Polygon. Here are their top 10 partnerships. DraftKings. They have an NFT marketplace. There's a company called Nothing. They do Web3 application development. Stripe. You know, Stripe is a payment solution. It's a payment transaction. Reddit is on Polygon. Disney, the Walt Disney Company. They have a partnership with Polygon. Adidas, the National Football League, Starbucks, Adobe, and Meta, formerly known as Facebook. Guys, these are huge companies that are extremely successful and they are innovating. The thing I love about Polygon Matic, I know it's going to make me rich. It's going to take off. When you look at the work that they're doing with these companies, something big is going to emerge. It is. You know how companies, you don't know anything about it because it's secretive. Everything is secretive until it just comes out. So you can see DraftKings, Stripe, Reddit, Adidas, they are the National Football League, Starbucks. They have diverse partnerships with a lot of diverse companies. This is huge. So Polygon Matic is thebomb.com. Yes, it is. All right. So let me show you this final. I'm going to come back. Polygon partners with music giants. It might be $50. They have a partnership with the giant entertainment company Warner to introduce blockchain to the industry. Users will be able to purchase digital collectibles, also called virtual vinyls. So vinyls are those old school albums. Some are records and some are albums, but they're going to have something called virtual vinyls. That's crazy amazing. All right, I want to show you one more thing. What's in it for you? What's in it for you? If you haven't already, go ahead and click on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Okay, now, here we go. Why are businesses invested in the Web3 space? There is an increased demand for blockchain technology. Facebook, they renamed their Facebook to Meta. It's compelled a lot of businesses to adapt to Web3. Polygon Technology was recently funded with $450 million to do some additional work and development. So you see, we're in a bear market, but Polygon is still doing the good work. They are still developing, still innovating, still increasing their partnerships. That's huge. All right, so there's so many things to Polygon Matic, so many things, and companies know it. So, all right, what's in it for you? So, professionals worldwide are interested in upskilling to join the NFT creator space. Non-fungible tokens are the key to a new era of digitization in a virtual space. Since this new generation of the internet is more intended towards ownership and for the people, by the people. Those are the key words. What blockchain does, it allows business to be done for the people, by the people, and the people are the ones who prosper and keep the majority of the profits. That's why blockchain decentralization is so very important. That's what it's about. Is ownership for the people and by the people, generating career opportunities, and it's now more straightforward, accessible, and quicker than ever. So what's in it for you? It is a system that is created for the people, by the people, to keep the money. All right, so if you haven't, go ahead, click on subscribe and click on like. I'm gonna show you one more thing. Let's take a look at Polygon Matic real quick. So here is the market today, and let's see, the overall market is still less than $1 trillion. The total crypto market is $886 billion. Bitcoin dominance is about 37%. ETH dominance is about 18%. And let's just look at the top 10. Of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and look at here, Polygon is number 10. It's holding at number 10, and look at here, they got a buy. I don't even see no buy nowhere else. Look at this. I don't see no buy next to Bitcoin. Look at this. They are a recommended buy. That's big. I'm just saying. Polygon Matic. They are everything about them. Watch my video on why to buy them so you can see all of their tokenomics. Polygon Matic, not financial advice, but you can really, really, really do well and get rich with this one. I believe in diversification. I diversify my investments, all of them. I diversify what I buy, where I store it, how I custody things. And so that's just that. So anyway, my name is Ida. I'm loving this Web3 Artist Accelerator program. This is amazing from Mastercard. So make sure you click on like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. And so I'm just going to keep bringing this great information because I want to make sure you have all the tools that you need so that you can capitalize and get part of this wealth and this money in the crypto. All right. My name is Ida. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe. I'm so excited. I can't just hide it. Okay. Anyway, I'm out till next time. Thanks.